This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. If you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because you know these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen, we had great news today. I mean, I had some call options. I thought we was going to just make money hand over fist today because the market was going to stay green. We had the rate cut 0.25% basis point. Then we had this announcement that the United States and China had a deal on the tariffs. I mean, everything was looking beautiful. And then President Trump started talking about testing nuclear weapons. Okay? And that sent the market into free fall and cost myself, and I know a whole lot of other people, a lot of money. But because of the tariffs with China, because of the rate cut, a lot of people, myself included, thought that the market was going to be green today. We thought we'd be making money hand over fist. We thought our SPY and QQQ call options would just print money. And then it didn't. Guys, and I've said this multiple times. There's no way I am going to believe, and this is just my opinion, that the people in Trump's inner circle were not aware of this before President Trump did it. I mean, this is. I think it's abusive. I think it's really abusive, because this happens all the time now. Whenever they decide to crash the market, Trump puts out this information that really shouldn't really be out there, okay? And the timing of it is also a little bit crazy. After the good news with China, after the rate cut, we're going to put out news like that knowing it's going to have a negative effect on the market and cost a lot of people a lot of money. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell any cryptocurrency. I'm saying that I believe President Trump, his release of information needs to be questioned, okay? I believe his release of information needs to be questioned, and I believe there are lots of people who are aware of this information before it's released, and they're probably generating lots and lots of money because of this. Do you think there were people who were aware he was going to announce this? Do you think they put all their put positions in yesterday before the market closed? Anyway, bottom line is this. Trump, as President of the United States, can put out tweets and truths, whatever you call them, and news like this that has a positive effect on the stock market and a detrimental effect on the stock market. And I personally, just my opinion, don't think he should be doing that. Okay? I don't think President Trump should be doing this. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Are you guys happy that we're going to be doing nuclear testing again? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.